So I woke up early this morning to head back up to the Cascades that we went to yesterday morning. I woke up really early, really tired, and not really wanting to go, but when I looked up at the peaks from camp, the light looked really nice. So I headed up there. We actually got a little bit of cloud, some light. I think everything worked out. So we'll hope that today's picture is a little bit better than yesterday's.
When I include the part that I'm really lazy, then I didn't.
I invited Garrett for the record, and he said no, so.
Sleep is important.
Oh, by the way, Garrett, I have a science demonstration for you.
Okay.
See all this black moss?
Yep. Wow, look at that.
And now it's green moss. And so if there's nowhere else, like, the view looking back this way isn't any good, right?
It's just kind of foresty, yeah. It's not anything amazing. We're trying to figure out what to do next. The rangers are making us leave here because you're not allowed to stay in any campsite more than 2 nights. So we have a permit for the south fork of the canyon, but we're just, based on where the snow line is and everything, we're just kind of trying to decide whether or not to hike out through the main canyon this evening or spend another night. Just trying to figure out what's gonna give us the best opportunity to get some good photos. Alright, so we came up with the plan to hike back down to the forks of the canyon, stash our big backpacks and food, and then we're gonna take our smaller day packs, spend the afternoon hiking up the south fork just to sort of see what it's all about. But we're not gonna camp up there. We're gonna come back down and then hike back out to the trailhead through the main canyon during the evening. So hopefully we'll get some good light in there, and that way we kind of get to see everything that we wanted to see, but we don't have to set up camp all over again.
A series of photos, like wildlife photos. It's so sunny.
There's only snow ahead of us, so I think we just about reached the point where we're gonna turn around and go back down. We made it pretty far up though. I think we're about 4 miles into the South Fork, and now we just have to do it all backwards.
And then she took me to Colorado, and I was like, yeah, okay, this works.
We're just heading back down the main fork of the canyon now. Got some beautiful evening light, and hopefully we can find at least something worth shooting before we make it all the way back to the trailhead.
Hallelujah!
We just made it back to the car here. Morgan found a couple little snapshots along the way. For the most part though, we didn't really see anything that was jumping out at us as a great photo, but it was still a really fun hike through the canyon. Awesome light the whole way. And now we're both really tired. So the video is gonna end now. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.